It's time to look a little at something very unique in the meme coin world. First time ever, any website has introduced the paper mode for trading meme coins with zero risk. So this fantastic website has introduced something that's very still new in the meme coin world. The ability to trade and learn without you using your actual funds and actual money, where you don't need to use actual funds and actual money. Paper trading is a concept that exists in the forex and exists in the cryptocurrency industry, but is not implemented usually when it comes to the cryptocurrency and the meme coins. What does that even mean? It means you're trading with virtual currency, fake currency, unreal currency, to try and see, will you be able to learn, will you be able to buy, will you lose, will you gain, without actually doing anything. Because paper trading doesn't require you to do any top-ups, it doesn't require you to, well, take any risk, pretty much, transfer any assets, get rugged, or have any of those nice scenarios. So paper trading, I want to learn how to trade meme coins. It is difficult. I understand absolutely nothing. I'm worried about the coin will drop, I will get rugged. I have a nasty headache and I need a lot of time to actually understand how to even select a meme coin, buy a meme coin, do anything. I'm pretty much tired and exhausted in life and want to learn at my own pace. Paper trading is exactly what can help you in that. By the way, this specific website, it is a sniper bot. Let's be clear. It's a sniper bot. It's available on Telegram, and this is their website where it can snipe, buy, and sell based on your information that you added. And of course, we're using Sol, unfortunately, for that scenario. The thing about it, it actually is giving you the pretty much holistically many different websites that are related to meme coins, whether it's Pump Fun, whether it's Radium, whether it's whatever you can think of. So it's all in one scenario which can help you because it can buy and it can sell, and at the same time it has the bot. You can see the name Sniper XYZ bot, Twitter Sniper. The Twitter Sniper, if we're going to be talking about it, is very unique because you can ask it to follow different social media of different people, and when they post an address for a token, automatically snipe that and buy it for you. So people use it to monitor Trump, monitor, for instance, Kanye West, and different individuals like Elon Musk, people that are focused on the cryptocurrency industry and the tokens and the meme coins. So whenever they share something related to, hey guys, I'm gonna buy this or this address or that address or invest in this, the sniper will automatically take that address, buy the selected amount you added before, and voila, it can snipe and watch and monitor for you. But the most important thing is the paper mode, because a lot of people want to know how to trade meme coins and they don't want to put any money in it at the beginning. So this will actually help you because you'll be doing the same thing like your normal trading. The only difference is the option that you're going to be selecting is the paper trading option, and then you don't need to top up, you don't need to add money, you don't need to do anything. You'll be able to trade as if you already have done all of that. Alright guys, this is a short video of giving this update on Sniper XYZ, the ability to snipe, buy meme coins, and also monitor the Twitter of different individuals. I'm not gonna go into their Telegram, that's a whole different scenario to understand how to use the bot. We'll do a separate video for that. Link is gonna be in the description for Sniper XYZ. Guys, if you have any questions, do leave them in the comments section. And please do share this video with anyone who's interested in meme coins. Leave a like and a comment and a subscription. Please, it helps the channel. And have a great day ahead, guys. We wanted to jam it as fast as possible. So, thank you so much for tuning in.